This YouTube channel, it's dead. Okay, there's no sugarcoating it. I'm not blaming anybody. I think I'm simply better off starting fresh. Are we ready? I think we are. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Let's see if I still got it. What's happening, YouTube? Suraj here. It's been quite a minute since my last YouTube video. It's been a long ass minute since my last YouTube video. I've been away for almost 9 months and a lot has happened. For starters, I have a new camera. Well, not so new anymore, but if you've seen my last video, which is about the Fujifilm X-T4, I did a review of sorts, and in that video I was using a unit that was loaned to me by Fujifilm, but I have since gone out and purchased my own X-T4. We are shooting on it right now. I've been having an absolute blast with it. I worked on an Amazon Prime movie. I was the first AD and assistant director. The movie is called One Cut, Two Cut, and it's going to be streaming on Prime Video starting from February 3rd. It's our first movie for a lot of us. It's the first movie for the director Vamsi, for Sahith, who's the DP and editor, for me, for a lot of the crew. It's our first movie. We worked very hard on it, and it's coming out very soon. This took up a lot of time last year. While the production itself wasn't that long, I think we only shot for about 21 days. I was also helping with post. I was doing the lineup, and then I was cutting the teasers. It wasn't like I was working every day. It was very on and off. But this, I think, almost went on till the third quarter of last year. And while the movie was in post, I started working on another project. I shot an action film. It is currently in post, but I'm super excited for you guys to watch it.
You are the living proof that this program succeeded.
It is super low budget. And Rajat, who's the director and also plays the lead of the film, has done an incredible job with it, honestly. I'm really proud of what we've been able to achieve, especially given just how little we've spent on it. I think we're just like a few weeks away from release now. I'll post all about it on Instagram, so if you want to keep up with that, follow me there. And finally, towards the end of last year, I started working on a skateboarding documentary. I directed, shot, and I'm currently editing a skateboarding documentary that I did for Play Arena here in Sarjapur, Bangalore. That was honestly so much work. It is still going on. I'm hoping to finish it soon, but yeah, last year was pretty packed in terms of projects. 3 long-form projects at 3 absolutely like super vastly different budgets. Lots of learnings, lots of firsts, and honestly just some great experiences. And even personal growth wise, 2021 was quite the year. I turned 21 years old. I graduated college. I had what I would consider by my standards a very active social life. But despite all of that, there's still something missing. Despite all the freelance work that I got to do, despite all the good memories I got to make, there's still something missing, and I realized that was this YouTube channel. You see, this whole idea of talking to a camera about the things I enjoy without any external restrictions, without any external pressure, it is extremely satisfying. It's extremely rewarding. It's a lot of work. I'll tell you that it's a lot of work, but it is very satisfying. It's very rewarding, and unfortunately last year I simply have not been able to do enough of it. I feel I've fallen out of touch with this whole YouTube thing, alright? I feel like some kind of has-been who peaked in 2016 and has not had a hit video since then. I feel like BoJack Horseman, if I'm being extremely precise, but I don't want to feel that way. I want to continue to make videos for fun because I enjoy doing it. But here's the deal, right? This YouTube channel, it's dead. Okay, there's no sugarcoating it. I'm not blaming anybody. I'm taking complete ownership here. But I just think this YouTube channel is dead. If you look at the last 10 videos, I think only 1 or 2 of them has even crossed 2,000 views. And that's not very healthy for a channel my size. Anything that's not smartphone related barely gets any views. And I'm not blaming anybody else. I take complete ownership because of switching niches multiple times, because of lack of consistency, because of whatever it is. I just think this YouTube channel has sort of run its course, and for the kind of content that I am uploading or have been uploading this past year, I just don't think this channel is going to work for that. And this 9-month-long hiatus that I just took, that is channel suicide. Anybody will tell you that if you go on social media for 9 months without uploading, that basically makes you irrelevant. Now that's not to say I'm ungrateful or anything. I'm extremely grateful to each and every one of you that has joined. 38,000 is by no means a small number, but I just feel that it is a futile exercise to continue to upload on this channel because really it's sort of dead. I think I'm simply better off starting fresh. faster. I'll just walk back again to make it a little more dramatic. Okay, so that's camera focus. Alright, I'm just gonna wait. I am taking up the daunting task of starting a new YouTube channel in 2022. That's right, the channel is already created. It's called Suraj24FPS. It's the first link in the description. I'll be pretty psyched if we can get a couple of hundred subscribers before the first video drops. Because honestly, this is daunting, starting all over again. It's fun, it's exciting, it's challenging, but starting all over again is anxiety inducing. There's fear, there's self-doubt, there's all of that. So it'll be pretty cool if you guys can go subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Feeling a little bit artsy. How's that? Artsy enough for you? So, what kind of content can you expect on the new channel? Well, you can probably guess by the name to a large extent, but let's just say it'll be different from what you've seen on this channel while still being under the same large realm of filmmaking and video production. I feel like I've grown so much this past year. Anytime I look at my older videos, the existing videos on this channel, I simply cringe. There's been so much evolution in taste, in tech, in skill and content in just the last 9 months. I think you'll really be able to appreciate the difference once you see the videos that are to come on the new channel. I'll talk more about this, the content, what to expect, all of that in the first video that will be dropping on the new channel, which is going to be in exactly 3 days from when this goes live. So it'll be pretty cool. It'll be pretty awesome if we can get it to a couple of hundred subscribers before that first video. It would get me really psyched. It would get me really psyched. It would get me really excited, and it would mean a whole lot. I don't generally ask much of you guys, so it'd be pretty awesome if you can go ahead and hit the link in the description, subscribe and all of that. Actually, you know what? I'll do you one better. I just came up with this. I'm still in focus, right? Yeah, I think if you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and then screenshot that, post it on your Instagram story, and tag me. I will randomly select 2, maybe 3 people, and I'll send you free pizza, okay? As long as you're in India, because I don't know what pizza they eat outside, and I probably can't buy you pizza if you're outside. As long as you're in India, I'll get you something, okay? Subscribe to the channel, the new one. Add this if you're not already, by the way. This is not going to be dead or anything, spoiler alert. More on that in a couple of minutes, but what was I saying? Yeah, if you can subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, screenshot that and post it on your Instagram story. I'll pick 3 people and I'll pick 3 people randomly and send you free pizza. So hopefully that is incentive enough for you to subscribe. And yeah, now back to Bedroom Suraj. Okay, but what about this channel, right? Now I know I said it's dead, but I'm not selling it, I'm not giving it away. 38,000 is still a lot of people. Monaco, which is a full-blown country in Europe, they have a government and shit. It's a proper country. They host the Grand Prix there every year. That country has a population of 40,000 people. If you look at it from that perspective, I think 38k is a lot of people. And so I want to do something with that. I want to continue to use this channel to experiment with different kind of content. This channel won't be the main focus for now. I'll be putting most of my energy towards the new one, but I will try and upload whenever I can on this channel as well. I want to make it a little more personal. Maybe I'll talk about everyday life. Maybe I'll vlog. Maybe I'll talk about being a young adult and the existential crises I have. Maybe I've been watching a lot of Nathaniel Drew and Luke Corns of late. I've really been enjoying their stuff. Maybe I'll do something similar to what they do. Maybe I'll just go back to making top apps content. I don't know. Who knows? Those top apps videos, by the way, they actually make a lot of money. Maximum ROI. They make the most amount of money. Just ask Anubhav. But yeah, on a serious note, that's where I'm at. That's the channel update. This is what I've been doing this past year. Honestly, not a single day goes by where I don't think about YouTube and feel guilty for not uploading. It means a lot to me. Although I have other, client work, I'm doing video more professionally now. I have a lot of other stuff going on. I don't want to stop YouTube because this is a form of expression that I really enjoy. It's what got me started. It is like identity to me, so I want to keep it going. I don't want to stop, not anytime soon, not ever. So yeah, I'm quite excited for the new channel. Also excited for this one, for the things that I can experiment with and try out. But starting fresh, that's another challenge in itself, and I'm quite excited for that as much as I'm scared. But please go subscribe to the new channel. It would mean the whole lot to me. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter if you want to stay up to date on a daily basis. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Cannot believe that took